Oh, I think I just popped something.
Almost there, breathe.
Oh my God. That felt so good. My body is sore. Oh.
That was a ton of cracks. Go ahead and bend forward.
Oh, what was that?
Feel tense right here.
Oh my God.
If this is where all the tension is.
Oh my. Is that a normal amount of cracking?
How long have you had low back pain for?
Since about the 8th grade. When I stand for long periods of time, my back really hurts. When I'm driving or in something restrictive like tight clothing, my neck will start to hurt.
How often do you have the neck pain? So like every day?
Every day. My back and neck hurt every day.
Heel strike, mid stance, and toe off. Look bilateral and symmetrical. All right, looking from the knee down, I don't see any genu varum, no genu valgum. That looks straight away. That's good. From the knee up, I don't see any angulations of the hip. Hip sway from left to right. Looks symmetrical from here so far. All right, looking at the shoulder height, there's a high left shoulder. All right, I'm going to use the back of my hands for a temperature measurement now. Back of the fingers are more sensitive to temperature. Definitely a change in the lumbar spine here. It's very symmetrical, even from top to bottom, until right about here, right till we get to the lumbar curve. Bring your ear down to your shoulder. Bring this ear down to this shoulder. Does it feel more restricted on one side or than the other?
This side feels more restricted.
And that's the side it just cracked on too. Okay. Tracing up to the bottom of the glute folds here, we're definitely lower on the right side. So the right one's telling us that it's rotated like this. If this is where all the tension is and that's where the pain is on palpation, this is most likely the primary. Now looking from the top view, there's no, it's maybe slightly more external on the left. So let's do this. Go ahead and bend forward and touch your toes. Gonna come back up. Comparing to the right, go ahead and bend. And come up. There's actually more movement on the right, on the left than the right. Tender right there?
Mm-hmm.
1 or 2, which is more tender?
Do it again.
1, 2.
Maybe 2, but both.
First, we're gonna loosen up some of these muscles. We have some hypertonicity in the upper right thoracic spine here. A little tense right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Any tenderness here?
Mm-mm.
Good. Here?
A little bit.
Or do you have any tenderness here, L5?
No.
L4?
No.
Left versus right?
Left.
Yeah, this is tender, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is glute medius. You're gonna take some nice deep breaths in and out through your nose, okay? Breathe. Almost there, breathe. Relax.
Oh.
All right, you ready to get some things cracked?
Mm-hmm.
So as you breathe out, I'm gonna follow your breath down like this. Then when we get to the end of your breath, I'm gonna push like that, okay?
Okay.
Good, sinking in, let the shoulders sink in, very nice.
That was good.
Okay, we're gonna breathe in, and then at the top of the breath, that's when I push for this one, okay? Let your shoulders relax as you breathe out, let it go. Good, gentle, gentle, sinking in, let the shoulders sink in.
Okay.
I'm gonna bend the top leg like this, good, I'm gonna bring hips forward, so like that. Bringing the hip down like this, good.
Oh.
Good, can I lay it back?
That felt really good.
This side, very similar. As you breathe out, we're going to stretch in that direction. I'm going to bring the hip down like this. Good. Letting the shoulders sink in here. Very nice. Good.
Oh,
There, you're back.
that felt so good. Oh my god.
Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Good. One more. Let this go. Good.
Oh.
Good. Just try to let your head completely relax. Good. You don't have to help me. As you breathe out, just like the other adjustments, we're going to do a very gentle push in this direction like that, okay?
Okay.
Good. Everything's sinking into the table.
Whoa. That was fast. That was crazy.
Good. Sinking in.
Oh, holy. Almost said some choice words. That was good. Don't. My toes have never been cracked.
Good job. You're doing good.
Oh, that felt good.
Let this go. Good. Okay, go ahead and squeeze.
I think I just popped something in my groin. Was that supposed to happen?
Yeah, that's your pubic bone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is an organ of digestion manipulation, okay? Good. Deep breath in right here. There's a small release right here that needs to go. Okay, no. It's a gentle breathing. I'm going to use this like this. That's okay if I do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here and here. And then as you breathe out, we're going to follow the breath. And we're going to go in this direction. I'm going to pull like that, okay?
Okay.
Shoulders and hips. Very nice.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Breathe.
Ah, that was a lot.
Yeah, it was. It was big. It was a good job. Yep, keep breathing.
Oh, I felt that in my spine. Oh my god. I've never had my neck cracked like that before. Is that a normal amount of cracking?
That was a ton of cracks. No, that was like 75 cracks, yeah.
That's incredible. I've never been cracked. I thought I could crack everything in my body myself, but that was some next level.
Can you come back more? There you go. This pinky or the other one?
It's the other one. Mm. Ah. Mm. What was that? Okay, sorry. Next one. That's nuts.